Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is The Wildest Meltdown Ever at a Korn Concert.
At a Palm Beach Korn concert, officers are called to reports of a girl becoming violent with the crowd and security. They soon pull her away from the show, and we can hear just how deranged she's behaving.
Figure it out. Hey, that's fine, leave her. Hey, we can get her legs all the way up. Good. What?
Dang. People be getting too drunk and tore up at concerts. That's really what be happening.
Oh, get out of our way. Get out of our way. It's all right. Slow down. Slow down. Let's slow it. Let's slow it. Let her. Is everything here okay? Yeah, we're good. Let her scream. Let her scream it out. She's outside of there, right? Everybody's good? Let her scream it out.
They don't got a wheelchair or something?
You guys are just fighting with her, so I think we're fine. We're fine. Okay. That'll be out of there. We'll get a quick grip. We'll move over there if we can, all right?
Okay, stretcher.
Cross them.
That's what I'm saying. Do something. Strap her to a wheelchair, something. But they got a stretcher. That's good. Having her face first is crazy, though. Imagine they drop it.
What did I do? You're hurt. What did I do? What did I do?
Watch the position, okay? Make sure she's off the chair. Can you get her?
What did I fucking do?
Listen.
Like I'm a fucking snake. Let me what did I do? No.
If you stop yelling,
Stop first. Suck at that stud.
if you stop,
Stud. Stop stud. I didn't do shit.
if you stop,
You're
what?
fucking.
Stop.
No. You are fucking liars. I didn't do
I will
shit.
explain it to you.
I
Calm down.
didn't do.
Okay, well, stop.
Explain it then.
You know what she sound like? You know, if you listen to it's like rock or heavy metal or whatever genre that is, but you know when you have the artists that do like the screaming, like the and stuff like that, like she sounds like that. Like if you hear her speak, her voice is so graspy. It sounds like one of those people that do that whatever you call that stuff. I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, man, that's what happens at concerts. I like concerts. You know, I've had my fair share of getting annihilated at concerts, but you know, it's a good time. You know what I mean? Like that acting out and causing trouble and stuff like that. You're supposed to be with your friends, having a good old time. And, you know, if you're going to get in the mosh pits and all that stuff, it's a good vibe. But, you know, you do have those select few of people that they cannot control their liquor or whatever other stuff they're taking, and they just start tripping out like that.
I didn't do
I'm not explaining to you why you're
I
yelling.
didn't do shit.
So you have the opportunity to calm down.
I didn't do shit.
Okay.
They were pulling her out. She was just like security guards at that.
The loudness of fucking Korn. I didn't do shit. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. What did I do? I didn't do shit.
If you stop yelling,
Tell me what I did.
I don't know
Now
either.
tell me what I did. If
Trying
you
to
want
figure
me
it
to
out.
stop yelling, then tell me what I
yelling like this
did.
isn't gonna help.
Tell me what I did.
I don't know.
Tell me what I
Stop
did. You don't know. That's exactly right. That's exactly fucking right. You don't know.
Calm
Fucking
down.
ridiculous.
You're making this worse than it needs to be.
Yeah, because I didn't do shit.
You yell
I
at this.
didn't do shit. I just wanted to fucking see Korn. Nicole, I didn't fucking do
All right, Nicole. If you stop yelling for 1 second, I will find the deputy and find out.
Yeah, your deputy is fucking.
Can you stop? Stop.
No, your deputy is a
Okay, well, let me go find out. I know the guy came out and grabbed us. Okay?
Yeah, I got down there and they were pulling her out.
Who was that? Security. Yeah. So we know nothing. Yeah.
when he works. My name is
She's starting to sit the problem just a
in my life. No, you don't give a f***. You just care about what the f*** he did. And he deputies are going to the ground. Understand? Yes, so I'm dead. Don't fight back. Yes, I'm dead.
We had this first no fun that original security guy that called us. Yeah, he didn't come out.
Yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
I see two of the security guards from Korn pulling things to fighting her, so it was very difficult. A female supervisor was trying to calm her down and whatever. She grabbed her from her shirt. Like I saw her that they were struggling. She was very feisty. She was fighting the security guys. That's all I saw, honestly. When she grabbed the female supervisor by the shirt, I was trying to let her go, like running her hands, like let her go. She was trying, but she won't listen to anything. So that's like, okay, like we need something. Very least we have RA, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Nice. She kicked a few deputies.
Right.
I saw.
She was kicking like,
You? Not me. She tried to scratch me.
Okay.
On me, but okay. So tell me what happened.
She was in the pit. I'm in the barricade. One of my guards called me over and said, some patrons complaining that this lady's being like, okay, I go over there. So I said, hey guys, concert, rock concert, showdown start, calm down. The lady in front and two ladies said, yes, you know that, but this girl is just hooting at us. Nobody's on the stage.
Okay.
Went around there, said, miss, let's come with me and come to the back. Oh, sorry. One I did, I said, miss, come with me. Push everybody away, go to the front, come with us. Just come with us. If you don't come, the cops gonna get involved. You're gonna leave it. I don't give a f. Go get the cops. I ain't moving. So, he grabbed her around. She went down. He said, get up, just come with us. That's all I keep on saying.
And did she hit you?
No, I leave her.
And what about the other female supervisor?
you're the supervisor.
Yes.
Let me just get your info real quick. Go ahead and tell me what happened.
Okay. She came tearing out from behind me. And as she tore out from behind me, she took one of the chairs in VIP box 6, which is right there, and just kind of flung it out of the box. Right after she got by, the Guardian guys went running after her, just said, get her. I didn't know what had happened, but I figured for her to be tearing out of there, something had happened. I didn't know what. They caught up to her at the top of 2 and 3. I was right there. She turned around, she kind of swung at me, but then she ended up grabbing my shirt and like pulling me down with her. And she just kept screaming, "Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you." She was flinging her arms at anybody who was close to her. That's when I called you guys. I was like, I need you guys are on the top of 2 and 3 now.
Do you want to press charges for battery right now?
I do, only because I don't want it to be okay.
Okay, no problem.
Does that make sense?
Yep. Plus, I got all your information right now. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Eventually, EMTs were forced to sedate Nicole to get her to calm down. Nicole was charged with 5 counts of battery on an LEO, simple battery, and resisting an officer with violence. She ultimately pled not guilty, and prosecutors later dropped the 5 Bat Leo charges. Instead of going to trial, she entered a pre-trial diversion program, a second chance auction often given to first-time offenders. As part of the agreement, she was ordered to pay $200 in prosecution costs, which she has now fully paid.
So long story short, she got nothing. Okay. She was drunk, having too good of a time, and she gets no consequences besides paying a $200 fine. That's the end of the story. That's, yeah, concerts are supposed to be a good time, but sometimes, people can't control themselves. And I remember, I've gotten to an issue at a concert before, not because of me, but because of somebody else. And it didn't really end that well for him. But it is what it is, But anyways, yeah. So I get officers, man. I get officers probably a 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.